Menopause is a physiological event that marks the end of a woman's reproductive stage in life. Vasomotor symptoms and changes in mood are among its most important effects. Osteoporosis or weakened bones, loss of bladder control, sex problems, and weight gain are also some of the symptoms. Homeopathy has been used for many years in treating menopausal complaints. Here are a few homeopathic medicines that are sometimes used for symptoms associated with postmenopausal syndrome. Sepia. This remedy is often indicated for women experiencing hot flashes, irritability, fatigue, and mood swings during menopause. It may also be helpful for vaginal dryness and decreased libido. Lachesis. Women who experience hot flashes that worsen with heat or tight clothing may benefit from lachesis. It's also used for mood swings, palpitations, and other symptoms associated with hormonal changes. Pulsatilla. This remedy is suited for women who experience emotional symptoms such as weepiness, clinginess,